Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Warner's wire-free bra. This bra is known for its underarm smoothing right here on the sides. So the side of it comes up a little bit higher, closer to your armpit, and it has a nice thick band here, so you don't get that little fat bulge that so many people dislike. But more important than that, this bra is just really, really comfortable. It's stretchy, it's breathable. It has nice thick straps also that go over your shoulders, and it has a smooth cup here, and that's really important to me because I wear, of course, like many of you, a lot of t-shirts, a lot of things that you don't want to see frilly bras under, right? You want something that looks smooth, and so this bra does that. I also like that it has adjustable clips here in the back. You have 3 clips to choose from, and more often than not, I find myself going for this bra just because it is so comfortable. It has very, very light contouring padding here. It's nothing heavy. It's very bendy, and it's not stiff at all. So I highly recommend this one from Warner's, but that's just my point of view.